Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. Alright, I know it's not Wednesday. Wednesday went a little out of control for me this week, and I had to put things off. It's now Friday, but this is everything I ate last week from Wednesday to Wednesday on a ketogenic way of eating for maintenance. I am currently using maintenance level calories of 2,000 to 2,300 calories a day, and that is what my meals here reflect. But I hope you can still get some great ideas on different keto meals that you can try for your own weight loss journey. Let's get to the food. Hello everyone, it is Wednesday. Welcome back to another episode of What to Eat Wednesday. I am breaking my fast. It is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. So starting off with 2 farm fresh eggs fried in a pan, 30 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, also fried in a pan with 3 pepperonis, 100 grams of 0% Fage or Fage, F-A-G-E brand Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer, and this is the orange vanilla Mio. I put this in my yogurt. It is divine. There's lots of flavors. And 1 cup of Creo Brew with stevia and heavy whipping cream. This is Creo Brew. It is ground cocoa beans. It has 1.5 carbs per serving, and it is pretty delicious. So if you don't do coffee like me, this is another way to get a nice warm drink in the morning. And it looks like that. It's kind of like hot chocolate. It's really good. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Here is my dance studio meal for the day. So I am having an ounce of mozzarella cheese, a Primal Thin bar, a boiled egg with salt, and a Keepin' It keto cake, chocolate salted caramel something or other keto cake. And that's going to be my second meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Wednesday night, and I am having steak and cabbage for dinner. So this is a 6-ounce top round steak, 2 cups of cabbage that's just been boiled with 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going to be having 2 servings of this Rebel strawberry ice cream. It's the best. If you haven't tried it, it is worth shipping it to you because it's awesome, and only 7 net carbs for the entire thing, and I'm not having the entire thing, so I'm having 2 servings. So that is going to be my last meal of the day. All right, so here I am at Commonwealth School, and I am having Quest chip nachos. So I use these tortilla style protein chips, 3 ounces of hamburger, and guacamole, and 4 tablespoons. Actually, I think it's 5 tablespoons of sour cream, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, this is going to be my second meal of the day. I am just having a Primal Thin bar, some peanuts, and a salted caramel keto cake from keepingitKetoCakes.com. And that's going to be my second meal of the day. It's really super late, and I don't feel like eating, so I'm just going to have a protein shake for my last meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Friday, and I am having my first meal of the day. It is almost 1 o'clock p.m., and I'm breaking my fast. I have 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese fried in a pan, 1 fried egg, 3 pieces of Great Value sausage, 200 grams of 2% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer, and a cup of Creo Brew with stevia, and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, I'm home today, so this is going to be my second meal of the day. So I'm going to head and have a Primal Thin protein bar, a squished keto cake because they had accident and went upside down. I'm sorry, but I still must eat it. And 1 cup or 100 grams of lettuce with a soft boiled egg over top, and 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese, and 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing. And that is going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone. It's Friday night, and I have eaten up all my carb macros, so I am just having chicken breast, and this is stuffed chicken breast. And it's basically 5 ounces of chicken breast and 1 ounce of Applegate Naturals ham and 1 ounce of Swiss cheese, crusted with 1 ounce of Parmesan cheese. I have the recipe for this, and I will link it here at the top. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Saturday. What you saw in that last clip was just a little bit of food I was eating at a party just to be social, and then this is going to be my first official real meal of the day. So 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese, 3 sausage links, and 150 grams, 140 grams? I can't remember. I think it's 150 grams of 2% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange, vanilla, Mio water enhancer. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone. It's Saturday afternoon. It's 4 o'clock and I'm having my second meal of the day. Today I am having a skillet pizza made from 3 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 teaspoons of Rao's marinara sauce, 8 pepperonis, 1 cup, or about 100 and actually I think it's a little over a cup. It's 130 grams of lettuce, 70 grams of tomato, a few little tiny bits of onion, 2 tablespoons of Hidden Valley Ranch. Guys, be careful on your ranch dressing. I have been using Hellmann's low calorie dressing for a really long time and just counting it as Hidden Valley in my tracker because it was just ranch dressing, because it didn't come up when I would search it. And yesterday I actually used the picture taker to track it with my salad, and sure enough, it had 4 carbs per 2 tablespoons. Oh my heaven's sake. I looked on the bottle, it didn't have any macros listed, and the ingredients said sugar in it. So be careful, guys. Of course, I should have known because it tasted so freaking good that it had to have something in it that I couldn't have. So be careful. So this is Hidden Valley. Switch back to Hidden Valley. And this is a keto cake from ketocakesutah.com. And this one is the Neapolitan flavor. And that is going to be my second meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Saturday night, and I am having one of my favorite meals. I'm having spaghetti squash, 100 grams of spaghetti squash with 5 ounces of chicken, 1 ounce of Swiss cheese, and a 1/4 cup of Rao's marinara, the arrabbiata kind. No, it's actually regular marinara this time. It's actually regular Rao's marinara this time. And it's just like a really yummy Italian chicken dish. I have it all the time, and I love it. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Sunday and this is going to be my first meal of the day. It is noon and I am breaking my fast with 1 fried egg, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and 4 pepperonis fried in a pan, 33 grams of center cut bacon, 150 grams of 2% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange, vanilla, Mio water enhancer, and a serving of Creole brew with stevia and heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Sunday afternoon. I'm saving most of my fat macros for dinner so that I can have birthday cake for Ruby's birthday. So I am just going to be having a Premier Protein shake, 100 grams of salad, 70 grams of tomatoes, 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese, and 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing. And that is going to be my second meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Sunday night, and I am having cauliflower mac and cheese. It is the... dang, I can't remember. I think Better Home and Garden recipe. Anyway, and some green beans and 3 chicken legs with barbecue seasoning, I guess. I don't even know. And that's what I'm having for my last meal of the day. All right, everyone. I am having dessert for my daughter's birthday party. So I am having I think this is supposed to be called a hot chocolate keto cake and some Rebel vanilla ice cream. And that is going to be my dessert. All right, everyone, I'm heading out to a movie with my girls, so this is going to be my first meal of the day. I'm just having 1 string cheese, a Primal Thin bar, 80 grams of almonds, and a keto cake, and that is going to be my first meal. Alrighty, everyone, I just got home from my girls' day with Ruby. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I am having my second meal of the day. So I'm having a little bit of leftovers, 1 chicken leg, and a little bit of the cauliflower mac and cheese left over from last night, 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and 3 strawberries, and that is going to be my second meal of the day. All right, everyone, it is Monday night, and I am starving. I'm over my macros, so I'm trying to be as low carb as possible. I'm just going to have 3 of these leftover chicken legs and a small amount of salad with a little radish and 1 tablespoon of ranch dressing, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Tuesday, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. It is 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm breaking my fast with 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese fried in a pan, 22 grams of center cut bacon, 1 fried egg, 150 grams of 2% Fage or Phage brand Greek yogurt sweetened with orange, vanilla, Mio water enhancer, and a cup of Creole brew with stevia and heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons. That is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, this is what I am taking today to the dance studio for my second meal of the day. I'm going to be eating this around 4 o'clock p.m. We have one Primal Thin protein bar, one 2% mozzarella string cheese, 30 grams of almonds, and a Snickers keto cake. And that is going to be my second meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's Tuesday night and this is what I'm having for my last meal of the day. Dave made some chicken soup. I have 5 ounces of chicken, 60 grams of carrots, about 100 grams of broccoli mix with celery and green beans, and 4 tablespoons of heavy cream broth. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Well, there you have it. Everything I ate that week on a ketogenic way of eating for maintenance. I hope you got some great ideas on meals you can try for your own keto weight loss plan. Don't forget to join us on Facebook for information on how you can get started on your own weight loss journey. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.